Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little, maybe not all put together, but that's because today's video is all about one of my absolute favorite things, and that's glitter. I ordered a bunch of pressed glitter from a really cute indie brand that I have been following on Instagram for a really long time, and I wanted to do a little unboxing with you today. Before I dive into the glitters, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick eye look, and I'm gonna be using the Morphe G35 palette. I have not used this yet, so I figured I could do a real quick eye with this, and then we will get to the glitter. So I'll probably insert a time lapse of me doing my eyes just to kind of save time. So enjoy. All right, so now that we have our quick eye look on, it is time for the main event. So a little bit about the brand. This brand was actually, it says they were launched in the spring of 2017, and they began as an Etsy shop. So I love that. I love being able to support entrepreneurs and small business. I think that that's fantastic. They started with the 24 handcrafted pressed glitter eyeshadows, and today they offer over 150 unique pressed glitter shades as well as other illuminating products. Their website says each of the shadows are made with our proprietary glitter base and exclusive glitter blends in order to give you an exceptional sparkle. So I am really excited to try these. They are cruelty-free, and let's see, and they are vegan as well. So it says you do not need glitter glue. It says you can use glitter glue application to get the most controlled application, but you can also just apply it with your finger directly onto your eyelids. So that's what I think I'm probably gonna try to do today. Let's get into this package. Now it comes in just like a styro mailer that's padded, and this is kind of, I just kind of took the bunch out. It does come with a cute little card, and this says Nama Sparkle. I love that. The glitter in us honors the glitter in you, dear Katie Brown, and everything is personally signed, so that's always a super cute touch. At least for me, I think that that just adds a little something extra. When I ordered, I did not order a magnetic palette for these to go into. I do have my own magnetic palette, so I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm just going to kind of show you how they come real quick, because they are wrapped up in some tissue paper, and there is glitter confetti inside the tissue paper, which as a glitter lover I can totally appreciate, but I'm glad that I opened it over. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's kind of what it comes like. Oh, I cannot wait to open these. All right, so let me open these up and get them in the palette so I can show them to you, and we'll also do some swatches, so I'll be right back. So I turned down my ring light just a little bit, just so you can get maybe a better view of these. I'm not too sure how these are gonna pick up. And that's in a little bit of a different light, just so you can see what they look like. Very reflective, very pretty. This is one swipe in the pan, and then just spreading that swatch down. So now that we've gotten our swatches out of the way, I do want to actually try this on my eyes because of course swatches are one thing, but I want to see what this actually looks like. So to apply, I am gonna try to use my little silicone brush tool. I am going to be using the color Tilt, and let's see what happens. So, and I do have it right in my magnetic pan, so I'm just gonna swipe in with my little tool. I've never used this tool for loose glitter or for pressed glitter, only like pigment, so, but it does pick up, so you can kind of see. So it does pick that up. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, why did I not buy these sooner? Okay, so with the tool, it obviously goes on a little bit more sporadic, so it's not like an opaque coverage, but it's really pretty. I think I might try to mix some of them together. I like the chunky on there. I think that this would look amazing with a really bold green smoky eye. Stay tuned, that'll come up, that'll be next. I'm gonna try on my other eye, I'm gonna use the Demure color, which is this gold color. I'm gonna try that one. I think that with the color that I put on, I think that'll be very pretty. So again, I'm just using the same tool. So, and it picks up just a little bit on there. So that's actually nice because then you don't have to put your fingers into it. And we all know that I'm a fan of that, of not putting your fingers in yuck makeup. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? These are so cool, and this is with no adhesive. So you can see I have a few pieces that are falling down. That's because I tried to cake on a bunch on there. I have hooded eyes, so I'm interested to see how much the transfer is, or if it actually makes it fall off or not. But look how pretty. Just so different. It just really, it makes your entire eye look completely different. This one I don't like necessarily with this eye look. It's very pretty, but I would definitely fancy that with a bold green, really smoked out corner. That could be like an everyday wear. That one is so pretty. I'm gonna mix with this one, I'm gonna mix a little bit of Renegade, which is that pinky, like a fiery looking shift to it. Look at that. And before you know it, the only thing I'm gonna wear is glitter for eyeshadow. So you can't see this one as, well, yeah, I guess maybe you can. It's not as stand out as the Demure because I'm putting it over the darker corner that I have, but I like that it gives it a little bit of contrast on this corner. Oh, now I really like that. I took one of the thinner glitters. I took the color Jessica and I mixed it with that chunkier one. And whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. I am obsessed. Of course it's glitter, so that's not a surprise for anybody, but I really like how these look. You can't feel them, they don't feel greasy, they're not dry, they don't crumble when you touch them in the pan. I have ordered ones from other companies that, while they're really pretty in the pan, as soon as you touch them, they crumble. These do not do that. So if you don't have one of these little silicone tools, you don't have to. You can just use your finger. And a lot of times, I'm sure that that's what I would do as well. But if I can use this to achieve the same look, then that's just a personal preference for me. So if you couldn't tell, I am already obsessed. These are so cool, and I say that in the best possible way. They are comfortable. They're not as messy as what a loose glitter is gonna be. And she has so many colors and variations of these. You need these. These you need. These are a hot, hot item. They're beautiful. And they really take your look to the next level. With the holidays coming up, oh yes. This is Thanksgiving holiday party. I love, love, love. All right, so my first impression of the Dear Katie Brown pressed eye glitters, you need all of them. All like 150, you need them. I cannot wait to try the other products that she offers, the glosses, the liners. If they are in the same ballpark as this, I'm just gonna be covered in glitter daily on purpose, head to toe, and I'm here for it. I can't stop looking at it in the mirror. I'm like, oh my gosh, this is just so pretty. Can you see it? Can you see it? What about this side? Which side do you like better? So comment down below. Let me know which color swatch was your favorite, which one you'd like to see me use in an upcoming video. If you have not already, make sure that you follow Dear Katie Brown on Instagram, also on Twitter. If you have not liked this video yet, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video today. If you are not a subscriber, I would love to have you follow along on my makeup journey. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.